So, sir, are you nearby your computer right now?
Yeah, I'm pretty close. I'm in the office.
All right. So it's about your home computer, okay?
Okay.
All right. Why don't you go near your computer and turn on so that I can give you some technical steps to follow, and after that, let me show you the problem, and let's rectify the problem together, okay?
Okay.
All right. So I'm waiting.
All right. Yeah, it's booting up. Okay, I'm at my desktop.
All right. So your computer is on, right?
Yes.
All right. So what browser are you using, sir?
Mozilla, Firefox.
All right. You have to turn on your internet.
No. It's always on.
All right. So now look down to your keyboard, sir. Look down to your keyboard on your left-hand side. You'll see a control key.
Well, CTRL.
Yes. Next to the CTRL, you will see a Windows key, right?
Yes.
Yeah. With the Windows key and the letter R. R as in Romeo. You have to press it together. Windows and the letter R.
Okay.
All right.
I've got a run dialog.
Yeah, run box. You see a run box. All right. Now you have to, if there is something written on that run box, you have to erase it all and make it blank. And you have to type in www.teamviewer.com, okay?
Okay.
All right. Should I spell it out for you?
No, I think I can spell that.
Okay. Team as a football team and viewer
Yeah, I
as
got
a
it.
basketball,
I got it.
okay?
All right, so I see the girl with the abnormally long index finger pointing at a green button that says download for private use.
Correct, sir. Correct, sir. Correct, sir. Okay, now on your left-hand side, you see a green rectangular box with the download.
Yes, I just described that to you just not more than 15 seconds ago.
Mm-hmm. So below that, you see a join remote control station.
I do.
All right. So now you have to press that thing. You have to press that one.
Okay. Okay, so it's downloading something. Should I run it after it gets downloaded?
Yeah, you have to click on run.
Okay. All right, it's run, and I've got an ID. I assume you want that.
Okay, you have to provide me your ID, yeah. 9-digit ID.
601-089-736.
736. Okay, 601-089-736, right?
Yeah, as long as an O is a 0, yes.
Yeah. All right. So now, your password, 4-digit password.
2096.
2096. All right. Sir, I'm gonna send you a message from our site. Okay, from our server. You have to click on trustworthy. Okay.
All right.
Well, do you see a trustworthy on your screen?
Not yet. Okay, there it is.
All right.
That really doesn't seem accurate, but I'll click it.
All right. So now we are connected. Okay. Now you have to sit back, relax, and I'm going to transfer this to one of my senior technicians. Okay. So he can guide you and rectify the problem. Okay.
Okay.
All right. You are connected. Just hold on, sir.
Thanks for holding the line. My name is John. How are you doing today?
I'm good.
Okay, that's great. So can you see that my cursor is moving on your screen?
I can't see the cursor, but I saw you close up that Team Viewer tab.
Yep. I haven't closed, sir. I've just minimized that. Okay. So, like, how old is your computer, sir?
Oh, I guess it's pretty old. This version of this install of Windows is less than a year old.
So, like, are you the only user of this computer?
Yes.
Okay. So, like, how often you use this computer, sir?
It's working great. It's very fast. I think your first tech would have maybe noticed how fast it booted up.
So, like, how often you use this computer, sir?
Every day.
Every day. Like, for your home purpose or, like, for your work purpose, sir?
Oh, kind of both.
Okay, like, what do you do? Are you working, retired, self-employed?
I'm self-employed.
Okay. So, are you able to see a run box?
Yes.
Okay.
That's odd.
Okay.
Did you misspell it?
I'm just checking, sir. Okay. Oh, Jesus.
That doesn't look like that's doing what you expect it to.
Just give me a few seconds.
Sure.
I'm just checking for that. Okay. Oh. Okay.
This is Windows XP. I've got a thing on there called VI Start that gives me a search menu.
Okay. As you know that,
search.
sir, now the Microsoft had stopped giving service to XP, right? Are you aware of this thing, sir?
Well, yes.
Okay. Like, are you able to see the black window on your screen?
I can see the command line that you got open there.
Yeah. With the help of this, I'm going to run a scan that will guess us that how much threads are there inside your computer. Now, like, what's the status of the computer and what needs to be done? Okay. So just give me a few seconds, sir.
What are you looking for? I can probably help you find it.
I'm just running a scan, sir.
You got a directory of the hard drive.
Yep.
So are you looking for something? Can I help you find it?
No, I'll just do that. Thank you.
Why are you typing that in?
Okay.
Yeah, IP's not a command apparently.
I beg your pardon?
IP is not a command apparently, so when you typed in IP address is not responding and hit enter, it produced that error.
Okay, I'm just checking, sir. Like, are you able to see your ID and password? Yep, now I got connected. Okay.
Okay, yeah, TeamViewer was wanting me to make sure that this is a trustworthy connection. Are you trustworthy?
Yep. Okay.
You're certain
Another
about
connection was lost, sir.
You're positive about that?
Okay, now we got the connections. Okay. So, like, I'm just refreshing the computer.
Well, the desktop anyhow.
Yeah. Like www.supernt.
No, I don't want you to install software on my computer.
I'm not installing any software, sir. Okay.
If you want, we can only check the computer, whether that needs that has some inspection or
I'm just running a scan with the help of this super anti-spyware. Okay. This is only the technician trial version, sir. Okay.
that will take 15-20 minutes. I will assign a technician right now who will check it for you. Okay?
You're able to see super anti-spyware on your screen, sir.
I see it. You're saving the file. You're not going to run that file, are you?
Yeah. Okay, for that, we are using Internet Explorer, sir. Okay, let me stop this. Okay, just give me a few seconds. Okay. Like it needs to save, sir. Okay.
I don't want you running that. You don't run that. I don't want you installing it on my computer.
Sir, without that, how I'm able to just scan the computer?
I don't. Am I being unclear? I don't want you to install anything on my computer. You're hearing those words, right?
Yep.
Okay. So if I don't know what you think you've got to do, but it's not going to involve you installing software on my computer.
Okay.
What are you doing? Do you know what you're doing?
Yep, I'm just trying to open msconfig. Wait for a few seconds, sir.
Okay, it would be helpful to me if you described a little bit about what you're doing.
I beg your pardon?
It would be helpful to me if you described to me what you're doing.
Yep, I'm just showing you what error we're getting, sir. What the error Windows reporting.
But I thought those errors were being reported to you.
I beg your pardon?
I thought my computer was reporting errors to you guys, and that's why you called me.
Yep.
So what errors were being reported?
Yep, just wait for a few seconds. After that, it will appear, sir. Like whenever I try to open the Microsoft configuration, I'm unable to do that. That is not running.
Yeah, it seems like that's more of your problem than it is mine.
Okay, but you are using a computer of Microsoft. The operating system is Windows, and we are the caretaker of Windows, right?
That's
something
true.
happens, whenever something happens wrong to your computer sends error reports to us, right?
Well, I'm not so sure about that. In fact, I'm not even sure who us
but
is. Who are you? What is your company?
We are the technical department of Windows computers, sir. We are server technicians certified by Microsoft.
No, but what is your company name?
Like, we are global technical support. We provide technical support to Windows all over the globe.
No, see, you're giving me generic things. I am a human being, but I have a name. Maybe you are a global technical support company, but your company has no name?
Yes.
What is the name of your company?
Oh, like what I said earlier, sir, that is global technical support, right?
It doesn't sound like a name. That sounds like a generic description. So what city is Global Technical Support based out of?
Yep, we are registered in Texas, and the technical department is located in India.
I see. Texas isn't actually a city.
Mm-hmm.
Texas is a state, a massive state,
Yep.
in fact. So what city in Texas?
Like I said that we are located in India.
Oh, so what did Texas have to do with this?
We are registered. Our company is registered in Texas.
Oh, I see.
Okay.
That probably is not going to work again. Yeah.
Yep.
So far, the only difficulty I've seen with this computer in, 9 months here has been with you.
Mm-hmm. Yep. It's not allowing anything to do with.
Oh, it's great though. I can go out and I go to the internet. I can write my scripts. I can do whatever I need to do on this machine.
Okay.
Actually, let's get rid of that super anti-spyware thing.
Can you hear me? Hello?
I can hear you.
Yep. Are you able to see that? The csrss.exe.
Yes, I can see that.
So do you have any idea about this thing?
I believe it's a component of Windows. If, let's see.
Okay.
Shouldn't this list of errors that you received from my computer give you some clue as to the source
No,
of the problem?
If you want to know about the CSRS, you can search on Google, sir.
What's Hurr-Durr.com?
I'm just trying to, that msconfig is not working. So I'm just checking the another one, sir.
Are you going to install something?
No. You asked us earlier that you don't want to install, right?
Well, yes, but even after I said that, you attempted to install something until I stopped you.
Yeah,
So I'm having my doubts about
just,
this.
Yep. We're just trying to run a scan, sir. Nothing else.
How would a website have enough privilege to run a scan without installing something?
Sir, everything is done if I'm not doing anything, right?
You are very ineffective, I will say that, yes.
So nothing to worry about that, sir.
Well, a little bit to worry about.
Okay.
Oh, I see. You know, what you're doing is lying and stealing. And I don't know if you believe in any gods, but if you do, they probably wouldn't be too enthused about you doing that. Surely there's something you can do to feed yourself and your family. Don't you think?
Sir? Hello, sir?
Yes.
So, you don't want to fix your computer?
Pardon me?
You don't want to fix your computer?
I don't think my computer is broken.
That's why we are telling that we have to rectify this problem very soon, sir. If not, your computer may lead to a permanent damage, sir.
Pardon me?
Why are you not allowing us to rectify the problems of your computer?
I didn't want your technician to install anything on my computer.
No, we are not installing anything, sir. We are here to help you, and we are going to show you the problem.
He attempted to install something, and then I stopped him, and then after he got frustrated, he went to a web page that repetitively played an annoying song.
Oh, so you don't want to fix by him. So should I?
He apparently doesn't want to. He apparently doesn't want to fix it because he took off.
Okay. So you want me to fix your computer?
Can you tell me what's wrong with it?
Okay, I'm gonna show you the problem. Okay. Now just hold on. Let me do my job. Okay. Let me do my work. So you have to sit back, relax. Don't use the cursor. Just sit back, relax. Let me show you the problem. Okay.
Okay. I don't want you to install super anti-spyware.
Yeah. I'm not telling you to install that thing. I'm just telling you. I'm just going to show you the problem only. Okay.
Are you going to click that download button on the free edition?
No, sir. That is going to show you the problem. We are here to show you the problem, not to install anything. We are not here to install anything. Okay.
All right.
So you have to sit back, relax. Don't touch the cursor. Okay.
All right, so now that you've got it saved, what are you going to do?
I'm gonna show you the problem.
Are you going to run that file that you just saved?
So with the help of this, we have to show you the problem.
Are you going to run this file?
No. First, let me.
Are you going to run?
Let me show you the.
Are you going to run that file?
No. I'm not going to run this file.
Then there's really no point in you downloading it, is there?
This is very important for you. So we are.
Yeah, I want to be clear. I want to be clear. I don't want anything installed on my computer.
Yeah, I'm not going to install anything, sir. I'm not going to install anything. Just listen. Let me show you the problem, okay? Just hold on. I'm not going to install anything. I'm just going to show you the problem. Put your cursor. Don't touch anything, sir.
I can't promise that. If I watch you trying to save something and then trying to run it, I don't want you to install anything on my computer.
I'm not going to install anything, sir. I'm not going to install anything. Let me show you the problem. Okay?
All right. Carry on.
We are here to help you. Don't worry, sir. I'm not going to harm your computer.
They're having this toll-free number, right?
You have a toll-free number. Do you see that?
Yes, I see an 844
number. You see the
number.
toll-free number? Yeah. You can call us at any time, whenever you want. Even when your computer is in critical step, then you can call us back. Okay? So no need to worry, sir. We are here to help you.
What was that last technician about? Why did he take me to that odd website? Hurr-Durr.com.
Sir, because
it seemed like he got upset with me and lost his cool.
No, sir. That's the warning. You have to secure your computer. You have to keep your computer secure. So they're warning that if you don't rectify this problem, your computer may be freeze at any moment.
But he went to that website. He typed in the address and went right to it.
No, sir. Just give me a second. Let me show the problem. And after I show the problem, you will surely believe me that your computer is in a critical step. All right?
Well, I'm having my doubts because I've been told things already on this call that aren't true.
No, I'm not going to install anything. Just hold on. Let me show you the problem. So I'm telling you to put your browser down and let me do my work, okay? I'm going to scan your computer first.
Why did you change the screen size?
I'm not changing anything, sir. This is where we're going to help we're going to take help from this swap. All right. Okay. So, do you see that your computer is very slow because of the junk, because of your viruses, okay? You hear me?
I heard those words. I see
Your
the computer's
is very
not doing
slow.
much of anything right now, so it doesn't really look slow to me. It doesn't look like it's been told to do anything.
Sir, don't you see whenever you browse internet, don't you see a pop-up on your screen? A warning pop-up?
Yes, that's warning you that if you close that browser, all of those tabs will be closed.
Sir, it's because of the viruses.
No, it isn't. It's because you're running a browser with 4 tabs and you're trying to close it. It's
All right.
trying to warn you that
Okay,
you're closing
it's
more than one tab. It's trying to be helpful, which, makes at least one person on this computer that is.
I mean, sir, we have to transfer this to senior, not so that they can fix your computer and they can show your computer what
Okay,
the problem.
I'm waiting for it.
All right. So should I transfer? Okay.
Pardon?
Shall I transfer to my senior or not?
I don't know. Last time he transferred me to your senior, he spazzed out, and I just transferred me back to you.
Okay, so I'm going to transfer to another technician. If you are not satisfied with that guy.
Well,
okay?
no, he left. He's the one that ditched me.
All right.
So did you want this browser open or not?
Yeah. So you are already disconnected, right?
No, I'm still connected. Yep, says I'm connected.
Right.
Yep, I got one session in the session list.
Will you click once again on trustworthy?
I guess. It's a little bit of a stretch.
Okay, so I'm telling you, sir, don't touch the browser. Let me show you the problem. Is that okay?
I don't want you to install anything, but yes, show me the problem.
I'm telling you, I'm not going to install anything. Just let me show you the problem.
I'm not stopping you, other than to say not to install something, and you tell me you don't need to. So.
All right, so I'm going to transfer to one of my senior technicians. If you're not satisfied with him, I'm going to transfer to one of my colleagues, okay?
All right, whatever.
All right.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, hi. Thanks for holding the line. This is Jacob. How are you doing today?
I'm a little exhausted. I've been on this call for, I don't know, like a half an hour now, and you guys seem like you're falling around with your pants at your ankles.
Okay, I do understand and appreciate your concerns, okay? And I do appreciate for your patience. By the way, sure, as you're using a genuine Windows computer, you have been generated towards the Windows server, okay? We are calling you from the Windows server in order to rectify your computer.
What
we are
company?
going to let you see.
What company do you work with?
We are Tech.
You're what?
We are Tech.
How do you spell that?
We are Tech.
That's odd. That's different than what the last guy said. Okay, what do you need to do?
All right, so you don't need to touch your cursor, right? Do you see my cursor moving on the screen?
I don't, but that seems to be a problem. But when you do things, I can tell that you're doing that. Like if you typed into that Google search, I would see the letters appear, but I don't see your mouse cursor.
Don't see my cursor. Do you see my cursor?
You know, I answered that question just a few seconds ago when you asked it of me. If you type a few characters into that Google page, I'll see that, but I don't see the mouse cursor. See, like I can see you typing
that.
Yes, I can see you typing those letters, and I can see the text insertion point, but I don't see the mouse pointer, is I think what you mean by cursor. So you've used Windows before then?
Yup, you're right. Correct.
I don't want to install any software on my machine.
You don't want to install software?
Yes, I think I've made that pretty clear. But
you don't have a Microsoft software, right? Antivirus. You don't have firewall.
I have a firewall, and I have an antivirus solution.
That's the normal firewall, which is being free when you bought the computer. I do know that.
No, I have a hardware firewall.
Yeah, I'm talking about a software firewall, not about your hard drive, sir.
I'm not talking about my hard drive either. You're familiar with networking. I have a hardware firewall. I have a programmable router that is set up to protect my computer, better than any software firewall could ever do.
So let's check it out whether your computer is being protected. All right.
I don't want to install any software on this computer.
So we are going to fix it for you, all right?
Okay. Are you hearing me? Are you hearing me? That I don't want to install any software on this computer.
Yeah, we won't install any software.
Okay,
right?
good. I just want to make sure that made it into your brain, because I've kind of had that problem with you guys. That you keep saying no, I'm not going to install anything, and then I watch you sneak off and download something and try to execute it to run the installer. But I don't want to do that. If you can show me that there's something on this computer, then we'll talk turkey. But so far, anything anybody's done is just waste about a half hour of my life, mistyping crap, getting confused, throwing temper tantrums, and showing me videos on a website called Hurr-Durr.com. So if that's what you've got planned for me, we can just stop. But if you're going to show me something, that'd be great. I would appreciate that.
I'll show you the problems running inside your computer. Right?
Okay.
And you know, I'm gonna let you see all the problems running inside your computer, all right? And you don't want me to install any software, correct?
That sounds perfect. Those two things
are
a guidelines for you to live by.
Okay, I do got you. I copy, all right? So first of all, do listen to me once. Is that okay?
I'm sorry, what do you want me to, what are you asking?
Would you please listen to me clearly once?
Yes.
Right? Let me explain to you once. Okay, sir?
I think I'm probably listening more carefully than you suspect.
Okay, all right, yeah, okay, great. Nice to talk to you. So you see over here, sir, we are not going to install any software, all right? You have got a software. okay? I'm going to let you see the damages done by the viruses and
Okay.
the viruses inside your computer and the Microsoft software which have been stopped running inside your computer, right?
Okay.
So we are going to get rid of every problems running inside the computer in front of your eyes, okay?
Okay.
First of all,
some of that
I'm
was sort
gonna
of
let
grammatically challenged, but I think I know where you're going.
Pardon me?
Some of that, I believe, was grammatically challenged, but I think I know where you're going. I think I understand you.
What I'm saying is that we
You
won't
don't have to repeat
don't-
it. Just show me. How about that? Just show me.
Yeah. Let me finish my words, please. Okay? I'm going to let you see the problems, okay? And we are going to get rid of the problems. And as you've said, you don't want to install any software. I won't install any software, okay?
Okay, you're going in circles now. You're going in circles. Just do, okay? You've got control, right? You can show me what you want. So let's have at it.
Okay. So to get rid of the viruses and the junk files and the hacking activities, there will be a one-time charge. Is that okay with you?
No, I have no indication that there's anything wrong with my computer. The only thing that appears wrong to my computer is that some guys in India have taken control of it to, I don't know, waste both of our times milling around doing nothing. That seems to be the only problem. I use this computer every day. It runs fast, and it does exactly what I need with no complaint, which is perfect.
So as I said, we are here to rectify it for you. Okay?
It's already rectangular.
I mean, not rectangular.
Oh.
I mean, I'm providing this call to keep your computer safe and secure. Do you copy that?
I see no evidence that there is any security issue with my computer. So if you want me to cough out some bucks to, for whatever reason,
I'll let you see.
That's
I'll
a
let
no-go.
you see. Do look on your screen.
Okay. So, Windows is reporting that you cannot spell.
Do you recognize any one of these files, sir?
Yes, almost all of them. The first one is it's a prefetch for the Firefox update, which ran actually during this call. Apparently, there's been a new version of Firefox that I had not updated, so it ran and created this file in the prefetch folder. The next one is a Firefox thing. The Help Center is for the help built into Windows because a previous tech hit F1 or brought up the help for some reason, so it created this thing in here. I assume help service is something with that. MS-Info, your tech ran before. Netstat, that's part of the task manager. NS1A, I'm not sure what that one is, and 1D. Setup was that file that a previous tech tried to install, and I told him to stop doing that. And then there's task manager, which you're familiar with task manager, right?
Okay, so
yes, I recognize all of them.
See what are these? Okay. These are the junk files. Okay, I'll open up for you. Okay.
Oh, good. That's good to know. Oh, that one too.
Okay. Hold on for a few seconds.
Sure. Oh, good. There's no unwanted files. I think you might want to type Explorer in front of that so it opens up a window.
Okay.
Ooh, try the ones that start with NS. I didn't recognize what those were.
You see. Do you see the scanning on the black screen, sir?
I do. No bad sectors.
Yeah. So now you see the active connection. Do you see that?
Yes, I do. Some of those are the TeamViewer connections that we have.
No, you see, there are some. You see over here. This is the local address connection. All right?
That's right. I have a network here, so it's connected to some things in my network, including that hardware firewall I mentioned earlier.
Yeah, over here, foreign address. Do you see that? The foreign overseas foreign address. Over here instead, you see the established. This server is being established. The TeamViewer is using right now, and it's established, right? And the local host.
Well, it's a network connection. It's not running as a service.
Yeah, it's established. It's working.
Well, a service is a very specific thing. A service is an application that runs outside of a specific user space. And that's not what's happening with TeamViewer.
So we are here to fix it for you. What do you say? Do you want to keep your computer safe and secured and use your computer for 7 to 10 years without any issues?
Oh, I think I'm doing a pretty good job of it myself.
Okay, so, all right, if you wish, right, do take care of your computer, all right?
I'm sorry, what did you ask?
Do take care of your computer.
Okay. Hey, I do want to mention something before you go, because it sounds like you're wrapping up here. That,
okay.
If you believe in a bigger world than you're in, something other than this earth, something transcendental, gods, they probably wouldn't be too enthused to find out that you're trying to steal money from people by scaring them. That's probably against some sort of moral code. So you might consider thinking of another job. I know maybe it's hard to find a way to feed yourself and possibly your family, but consider it, because you don't have to think about it in the middle of the night about how you're being shitty to people. So just something to think about. You have a good day though, and I hope that the rest of your day goes as poorly as this call did, because those people that you're calling, I don't want them to be abused.
Okay, yeah, okay. But we fix the computer, right? We don't steal any information, banking account, credit card.
No, but you scare people into thinking that there's some sort of problem when there is not. And people that aren't very savvy about it, when you show them some list of network connections or a prefetch folder that's the normal operation of their computer, they might actually believe that line of bullshit, that is bad stuff that you have to get rid of for what you can ask me for, what, $200, maybe $300? I'm not sure how much. Quite a bit of money. And they would maybe give you that money. So that is stealing, because you're getting money out of people under false pretenses. That's technically called fraud, but it's stealing. And it should, if you're a good person, it should weigh on your soul.
But we do install a software. You know what? But we do install software.
Yeah.
Do you know that?
Yeah, like maybe some shitty hacked version of McAfee for $200 when you could buy a real version of McAfee for like $30. I've seen that game. I don't know if you're the same guys I've run into elsewhere. Or you install free software and charge for it. That's right. But that free software is all part of your game. And it's unfortunate. You sound like a nice young man. And it would be, great if you were nice on the inside too.
Okay.
So get out of this job. Go invent something. Go make something better instead of just making some money with a lie.
Okay. Okay. Bye bye, sir.
Alrighty. Bye bye.
Okay. Nice.